This is a duct in an attic that's connected to a bathroom fan in the living space down below. This duct is supposed to exhaust out to the roof, and it's attached to a vent on the roof, and then that moisture and that air that is pulled up from the bathroom, all that steam when you're taking a shower, that's supposed to be exhausted out into the exterior of the house. This duct is now exhausting and taking all of that moisture that it gathers from the bathroom down below, and it's dumping it into the attic. When you're bringing moisture into an attic where there was already ventilation problems, excessive moisture, mildew, a little bit of mold, that's only gonna compound and add to those problems and make it worse. So you never want a bathroom fan just venting into the attic. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put another vent on the roof. We're gonna cut into the decking, the wood above me. We're gonna cut into that decking. We're gonna install a vent, and then we're going to attach this to that vent that we install. So now that moisture and that air will be exhausted out to the exterior of the home. It's not gonna wind up in the attic, and they won't have to worry about the moisture from the bathroom compounding the problems they're seeing in their attic and their roofing system overall.